So we've got the Austin Racing can fitted to the bike now. We're going to run it up again, see what changes the Austin Racing can itself has made, see how it's affected the fueling, and then we'll come up with a tuning strategy for that. So we've run the bike on the dyno with the Austin Racing can on it, and we've got the results in. We found that the can compound the lean running issues. We have been able to resolve that obviously with the remap, and you can see here the results. The blue line is the stock bike with a map on it, and the red line is with the aftermarket can. You can see here, although it's only made another 2 brake horsepower at peak power, throughout the rev range it really has smoothed the power delivery out, and we've gained a few horsepower everywhere. The flat spot's gone up 5,000 RPM. We've smoothed it out at 8,000 RPM, and there's a little blip at 6,500 RPM that's really been smoothed out by the can. It's mostly obviously getting rid of the cat. The can obviously looks a lot better, and it sounds very different. It now with this can, it is actually very, very loud. Again, that's subjective. If you want to run without, you can run without. We can write you the maps for whatever really where you want to set your bike up. Now with the aftermarket can, the torque profiles really are where the gains are made. You can see here at 5,000 RPM, we're comparing a mapped standard bike to a mapped bike with the Decat and the aftermarket can. There's a huge gain to be made at 5,000 RPM. That's really the biggest gain in the torque delivery. We've actually gained 8 Newton meters of extra torque from the mapped bike to the mapped bike with the Decat. That about wraps up all the tuning that we're going to do on this bike. Do hang around though and do subscribe. We're going to take the bike out on the road, give you our final thoughts on the bike. It's been a bike that we've really enjoyed working on. It's been a good project bike for us. We've learnt a lot from it. We'll bring you a little bit of a review as to what we thought of the bike in the next episode. So stay tuned and we'll catch you in the next episode.